Hi everyone, welcome. If you love bags like me, please join me on my bag love journey. And together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I would like to share with you an unboxing. Before that, I would like to share with you some of the cute things that I have bought. Let's start with this very cute item. This is from Dear Self Beauty, and they've given me some freebies. These are stickers. Love who you are. So, a very nice, inspirational message. And the other one is from like a cup design. Sunshine and good feelings. Very positive ideas and quotes. And this one is what I got. So small. So this is the Dear Self Beauty Blur Mate. Very popular in Instagram. The shade is Bella. This is like a brown shade. I'll show you. There. See, it's like a brown shade. And this will give like a sun-kissed effect on the cheeks. Most of my tints are in red hue. So this is the first time that I bought a brown shade. Okay. The next thing that I got is from Mumi. Mumi is from Marikina City. They are creating different Filipino style bags. And what I got from them was a small pouch in a like frosted pink pouch that I think I will place inside my smaller bags, most especially the Vienna SINBONO bag. I think that it would match inside of it, and I will put some of my small items in there. So it's nice from this brand, Momi. Next, I bought these two cute items on sale from National Bookstore because we bought some items from my son's school, school supplies, because school will be opening soon. Then I found some cute things for myself. If I haven't told you before, I also love writing in notebooks and beautiful pens and stationaries and stickers and beautiful notebooks and planners. And when I saw Victoria's journals, it really is very, very pretty notebook. That's what I can say about this notebook. Very elegant and pretty, very pretty. And this small one is, they call it purse journal. So this is a purse journal. This is a small notebook. It can easily be placed inside small purses. And I'll show you up close. This is such a pretty notebook. You can see the glitters. It says, live, love, learn. Life is a beautiful journey. Take notes. And this, you can see, the edges looks very pretty and sparkly, very girly. I really like it. And on the inside is just lined pages. So this will be very, very useful to me. I really like it. And I'm so glad I found it on sale. And the next one is this one. It's a bigger notebook. It is called a tote journal. And I'll show you. So this is such a beautiful notebook. It is like a hologram hologram pink and some purples. The edges of this notebook, on camera it looks purple, but on actual it looks hot pink. I'm not sure why it looks purple on my camera. And they also have this stamp at the back, and the inside pages are dotted pages. And one beautiful feature of this notebook is the bookmark. That is the bookmark. Move it. See, that is the bookmark. So nice. A charm with a VJ for Victoria's Journal. And in case you need to mark a page. So that is for the ribbons. So really pretty. I really like that design. That's that very nice touch. I'm really very happy that I was able to find this Victoria's Journal notebook that I have been looking for so long. I've found this on online, but I really want to get it on sale. So very happy that I was able to get it on sale. So now I'll share with you what I got. So this is the new bag. Do you have any guesses from where I have bought this? Probably don't have any idea, right? So I'll just open it now for you. There is what I got. It's from Victoria's Secret. It is a Victoria's Secret camera bag. And I was really surprised and very, very happy that it was made in the Philippines. So they also have a factory here in the Philippines, and I'm very happy to be able to score a piece made in the Philippines. So there, I'll show you. It's open. So this bag has this chevron quilting, and it has this design or logo where you can see Victoria's Secret logo in pink, and it also comes in this chain or tag with the logo again, Victoria's Secret, Bond Street, London. So there it's, this is a very nice chain. So there is such a pretty piece. And then let's see, this is the tag, and it is made in the Philippines. So very happy about that. Okay, so let's get the sling. There, that's the sling. Let's remove first this plastic. The chains are non-removable, but it can be adjusted because of these holes right here. You can see that's another logo right there. Looks very substantial. This thick chain, very dainty, very beautiful, very, very pretty. So this is the zippers. You can see it's very Shiny, it's a gold color, and the inside is a black signature print of the Victoria's Secret. It has one pocket right here with a V logo. The one beautiful feature that I found on these bags and this collection is the ones that they have placed right there. You can see they have placed a mirror, a pocket mirror. I really wanted to have a thin pocket mirror for a long time, longest time, and this is the thinnest that I can get, and I really loved it. It is engraved. The logo was engraved. You can see, show you, it was engraved. It's so nice. And so this is the bag. This is a very pretty and dainty bag from Victoria's Secret, and I'm really very happy that it is now finally mine, and I will be very happy to share in another video on what I can fit inside the bag. Please do watch for it. And I'm so very happy that I found out that this was made from the Philippines. Very happy owner of Made in the Philippines bag. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. And always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. See you next time.